Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss some basic aromatic interconversion. So let's get started. So when benzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then toluene is formed, and this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When toluene is treated with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 in presence of water, then benzaldehyde is formed, and this reaction is known as Itard reaction. So when benzaldehyde is treated with 50% of NaOH, then oxidation and reductions occur. So this reaction is also known as disproportionation reaction. The name of this reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. And when sodium benzoate is hydrolyzed, then benzoic acid is formed. When benzoic acid is treated with NH3, then benzamide is formed. When benzamide is treated with P2O5, P2O5 is a dehydrating agent, then cyanobenzene is formed. When cyanobenzene is hydrolyzed, partial hydrolysis occurred, then benzamide is formed. When cyanobenzene is reduced in presence of nickel, then amine is formed. When cyanobenzene is treated with SnCl2/SCl, then benzaldehyde is formed, and this reaction is known as Stephan reaction. When toluene is treated with KMnO4/KOH, then benzoic acid is formed. When benzoic acid is treated with NH3, then benzamide is formed, and when benzamide is treated with Br2/KOH, then amine is formed. And this reaction is known as Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. When amine is treated with NaNO2/HCl, then this reaction is known as Sand-Mayer reaction. Then benzene diazonium chloride is formed. When benzene diazonium chloride is hydrolyzed, then phenol is formed. When phenol oxidized, then benzoquinone is formed. When phenol is treated with HNO3, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, then picric acid is formed. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with HPA4, then fluorobenzene formed, and it is when treated with CuCl, then chlorobenzene is formed, and this reaction is known as Gettermann reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with potassium iodide, then iodobenzene is formed. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with aminobenzene, then yellow color dye is formed, and the name of the product is para-aminoazobenzene. And when it is treated with phenol, then orange color dye is formed, and the name of the product is para-hydroxyazobenzene. And this reaction is known as coupling reaction. When iodobenzene is treated with copper, then biphenyl is formed, and this reaction is known as Ullmann reaction. When benzene is treated with ethanoyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, then acetophenone is formed, and this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When acetophenone is reduced in presence of Zn/HCl, then ethylbenzene is formed. When it is reduced in presence of NH2NH2/KOH, hydrogen and KOH, then also ethylbenzene is formed. And this reduction is known as Clemmensen reduction, and this reduction is known as Wolff-Kissner reduction. When phenol is treated with CaCl3/KOH, then salicylaldehyde is formed. Then if it is treated with CCl4/KOH, then salicylic acid is formed, and this reaction is known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Thank you.